Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. A while back, somebody asked me how to draw something like this, and I really couldn't kind of figure it out. But today I kind of figured it out. Really pretty easy. Let's move this out of the way. And let's take a square and let's just make it like 0.6. Let's go ahead and give it rounded corners. So with my edit corner ratio locked, I'm going to just give it a little bit rounded corners. Now we're 0.6. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 0.65. I'm going to control D and then I'll hit the right arrow key and I'm not going to make it quite as big this time. My old laptop has trouble keeping up with this next couple steps. But there you go, and you can make it as big or little as you want. Now we need to fill in the black or fill in some lines. So I'm going to take holding down the shift key, I'm going to double click on the rectangle tool and put a rectangle around it. Now you can see I'm going to make it like 101%. So I have a little bit on the outside. So that way we got a little bit of the same edge. I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool. We're going to go ahead and use black. And I'm going to fill that in. Now I need to move that away from my lines. We can actually delete this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make that swirl type pattern with the shape tool under swirl. And I'm going to make this like 5 inches now because I didn't make it as big. And when you get your twirl tool right up here, set your rate low. And then just click on something and twirl it a little bit. And then if you wanted to, you could make the twirls go in the opposite direction. And maybe even put one in the middle and get a total abstract look that's still got lines all the way through it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.